Shaft. Toyota, I will pay tomorrow. Waba. Do this like this now. Go. Aye.
Pay me the money now.
Give you waiting. Huh? Have I not warned you severally to stop bringing food for us here without enough water to drink? Have I not? Now get out from here before I descend on you.
See, I'm not giving you 1 penny if you don't give me 2 pure water.
Don't mind that.
Any water that comes after food, you have to pay for it.
In that case, you and your madam will collect the money with a gun. Come on, get out from here.
Why are you people shouting?
If you eat, you pay. If you eat, you pay. It's a simple thing. Chidi. You know she works for someone. Chidi. What is wrong with you? No, Chidi. Look at this idiot. No. Tell me waiting concern you with my matana with this dirty girl. Okay? You don't shine me. Oh, you just call me an idiot. Listen, and listen carefully. I'm not going to say this again. This girl works for someone and she doesn't deserve to be insulted. It's as simple as that. If you eat, you pay. Go and come back and get me. That's your money. No, I don't respect it inside this company. I'm not going to say it again. I respect it. When you go begin rain. Come, go to the. You go begin rain. No, you go rain. No, you go rain. No, happen. Okay. Because of this, because of this, don't be saying anything. Don't be saying anything to happen. What is going to happen? What is the worry yourself? Okay, I respect you because of your age. You go rain. You go rain. No, don't pay. No, don't pay for. I will pay for myself. No pay for me. You. Next time you go do this kind of thing again, I go slap you. I go kick you. Come and get out from my face. Yeah, what about? Sir! Sorry, Mr. Man, you don't lose that time, I think. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't be sad. Come and give me that suit. Come on, get up from here. This girl will embarrass us. See the time I tell you to hey! You don't lose that time. Come on, go and lose that. Go and lose that time.
Hey, listen. Come on, pick up. Why are you doing this? Why the trap? Oh, yeah. This one. That one! Pick them! Yeah! Everywhere! Pick up! All of them! There! This one! Hey, come! Pick everywhere! Everything! Pick everything! See this one? Pick up! Okay. Hey!
Like stand here from now till tomorrow. I don't have money. The truth of the matter is that the owner of the car has not given me my money. Just go and tell your madam that as soon as he pays me, I will pay you.
Well, how did you eat when you don't have money? Now you make me get into trouble with my madam.
See, God punish you. So I'm not going to eat because of money. There's no business without debt. I know you go on a business. Go tell your madam. I will see her later. You now.
No, stand there.
What is all this morning again? Ima, why are you crying?
He doesn't want to pay for the food and he doesn't want to complete his own money.
How can you be so wicked, this guy?
Check this basket. Pay her! If you eat, pay. It's a simple thing.
You know she works for someone. Okay. I've warned you before. And I'm warning you again. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Since you have decided to be the lawyer of this workshop, so please, barrister, okay, pay her.
You know I don't know her, I only know her. As you know. Bima, okay. Go and get me.
Madam said I mustn't come back to that.
Did you hear her? I can't eat because you haven't paid. You must pay her.
You must pay her. You must pay her.
See, if you want check a babe, go ahead and check her. Stop using me as a tool. I've been warning you. I've been warning you, okay? Please.
You're talking to me?
I'm talking to you, yes.
You must pay her.
Pay waiting.
I'm telling you, you must pay this girl.
I don't have money. In fact, I won't pay her. Okay. This is money, but I won't pay her. Okay. You must pay her. Okay. Give me that money.
Hey. Okay. What? Okay. Why? No. Why? Hey. What about me? Hey.
Chidi.
It's okay.
Chidi.
I'll tell you.
Chidi, leave me alone. Leave me! Just stay away from this one, Uche. Okay. Hey! What did I do? Is she the only girl that has served us in this workshop? Now she has finally succeeded. Doesn't quarrel between me and my colleague. You!
Let it be. Can you ask this fool why she's insulting us? No! If this girl continues serving food here, me, I won't eat again. Melisi.
No. Eh? No. No. Calm down, wait. Look at my body. Big Papa.
And you idiot. Did I send you to insult my customers?
I know I abused them, ma. They didn't want to pay for the food that they ate, so...
No. Wait. Allow her talk. No. Allow her.
Did you come back to tell me?
She said that. She said I should not come back without the money.
Yes, I said so, but I didn't say you should insult them.
Let it be. That's not the issue. What I'm saying now is that if you want us to continue patronizing you here as your customers, please stop sending her to bring food for us.
Melisi.
Because I will not touch any food. That's your daughter, Abi. No, come. How are you? When did you come back from? What's that name again? Ebere here can be bringing food for us. Let her bring food. Just look at how neat she look. Let's go. You! Come on, get back from the road. So, next time I will just kill you.
This one, they okay. Oh, yeah, they okay.
Chidi, see this Momo. What did they do here? Eh? What are you doing here? Leave this workshop now before I beat the living daylight out of you. Come on, get out from here, idiot. What are you doing here?
Yeah. So you think you can talk to anybody anyhow? If I carry my babe, you ain't gonna squeeze it.
No, leave a man slap her. You want to see who? Who? Your papa. Daddy, oh yeah, your daughter is here to see you. Lawyer. Client, don't come. Go. She need to catch you. You never get 20.
Daddy, the man.
I know what you look for this girl, baby. Until you give her.
Your colleague came and reported that I caused trouble here, so she asked me to leave the shop.
Is that why you're crying? Don't mind them. What you need to do is, I want you to go back there and wait for me. Okay? You go and talk to your madam. I'll talk to her. Alright? Go on. Alright. Don't cry. Alright. Madam, I couldn't get food because Pascal and Chid didn't pay for what they ate. I'm telling you, those boys are lying against her.
The point is that I'm tired of her. She's so lazy and lousy. In fact, those two boys can never lie against one person. Just one person. I know how I'm managing this shop. And I can never let her lies ruin my business.
Madam, I'm also one of your customers. I was there when it happened. She never lied against them.
Ebere Chukwu.
Coming soon.
Yes, ma'am. This is my daughter. I think we can manage this shop together. I don't need her again. Let her go. Card of leave my shop! Go! I'm not your mother, I'm not your father. Go and look for elsewhere to work. I'm okay.
What is happening? Madam.
The truth is that it happens to everybody. One should take it as it comes. My advice to you at this point will be to go back to your parents.
You don't understand. I have nowhere else to go to.
Meaning?
No father, no mother, no brother, no sister, nobody. It's a long story.
That's a very sad story. Alright, you sit tight here, okay? I'm going to go and finish what I have to do. And I can come back. And then we can go to my house. And you will tell me the long story.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's a very sad story. A very bad one indeed. And for someone who's been through school, you shouldn't be wasting tables in a restaurant.
It's not like I had an option. I mean, I didn't finish school, though I really wish I did.
So what's your next plan?
I don't know, but I mustn't fail to say thank you. Thank you so much for letting me stay here.
That's alright.
I mean, instead of crying and moaning, I'll get another job. Just pick my life together and move on. Thank you.
But I'm tired. I need to get some rest. You take the bedroom. I'm gonna sleep on the couch.
No, I'm so like no. I honestly I can't. Let me sleep on the couch.
Good night. Okay. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, my dear, you have heard all that I said. Not that I'm in need of an apprentice now. No. I have professional hairdressers. You see them due to my class of customers. But I'm considering you because of your story.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much, ma. God will bless you, ma.
Get up. I have a good number of them. As time goes on, you learn from them.
Yes, ma. I'm even willing to learn. I'm willing to learn, ma. Thank you, ma. God will bless you, ma. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Thank you, ma.
Be here on time tomorrow.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. In fact, I'm very, very happy for all the things that you are doing for me. Truth. Okay, let me assure you one thing. You know what? Ask me what? God will bless you. Paka.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
See this taxi of yours? It's beginning to cost you more money than it generates.
I know now, I understand, I know.
I suggest you sell this one and buy a new one.
Okay, where do you expect me to get another money to buy a new car now?
I know you.
I beg you, I'll manage this one though.
Bear in mind that when you spend less, it makes better business sense.
Englishman, okay, thank you very much. But come. I beg. Did you still do the ceremony?
Your car is good.
Guy, thank you very much. See you.
Later now.
Well now, let me try and see how far today.
You will not believe this. I just got a job. And the lady now said I should start tomorrow.
Nice. What kind of job is that?
It's actually a salon. A big salon. It's quite big.
Does this job of yours require anyone or perhaps someone to sign on your behalf?
No. She only asked me where I was living and who I was living with.
What did you say?
I told her I was living with my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. And who might that boyfriend of yours be?
What? Well, okay, fine. You win. That's what I said. Why are you laughing?
I say, alright?
That's what I said. You.
Okay. Accept.
I know. Unique baby. You. God bless you. Yeah? Susie, go. Don't come home. You don't get to see each other every day now. I hope all is well. Let's do small thing. Shall see your way now.
Who boys?
No problem.
Hope none of my girls has offended you.
No, not that. One of them just caught my fancy.
Susie, you again. Can a beauty pass without your notice? Susie, good.
My dear. Where did you do that?
Susie, good. The girl story is so pathetic. You know I'm not used to all this Prentice girl and all that.
No.
But when she told me her stories, I couldn't help but to ignore her.
Really? She's just beautiful. Black beauty.
Susie, good. But why are you interested in?
No, nothing. No.
Nothing.
No. I just fancy her. That's it.
You know where she is? I know they suspect you.
Not too bad.
Susie, good. Too much. Hey, it's fine.
Why would it?
I'm sorry, ma. I cannot collect your card. It's against our ethics here.
Okay. You, baby. I'm very sorry to disturb you, please. Sorry. It's your girl, oh. She has refused to collect my complimentary card. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, she wants to talk to you. Madam.
Ma? Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Thank you, Unique. Thank you.
I'm sorry I didn't collect it before. It's against the rules.
Okay. I will invite you through your madam.
No problem.
You have to come and know my place, my office, everything.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thanks for your time. You're a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Okay, you can go back to your work.
I've seen a very nice car now.
Sorry, Oga. See this one. I said 12. Spin the mail. Sorry.
Okay, please, as I was saying, my problem now is to complete the payment. I don't just know what to do. If I can just see like 3,000 naira. I don't know. Yeah. Huh?
Come back tomorrow.
Are you giving me the dough?
That
Okay, just tell me morning, afternoon or when. Just tell me now.
anytime tomorrow, Paka.
Please, early in the morning tomorrow I'm here. Man, please, thank you. I don't just know how to. Man.
Paka.
Are you sure you don't want to eat anything? No. I'm very eating. They cook good food here. No, I'm not hungry. And if not, what am I supposed to drink? No. Okay. Property. Tell me. What's it? Chidinma. Chidinma Uzo. I know you'll be wondering why I wanted to see you. You see, you look very much like someone who was dear to me, though she's late now. I'm so sorry about that. It's okay. That's a long time. So, Dimma, how come you speak very polished English? I was an undergraduate. Was? Yes. I was in school, but I haven't been able to go back since my foster parents died. Oh, that's a shame. What about their biological children? Are they now? No. Sorry. So tell me, where do you stay now? I mean, where do you live? Yeah, tell me where. Just relax and tell me too. Where do you stay? I live with my boyfriend. Is that why you're friendly? Difficult to say. It's okay. I know it's not morally right. But we didn't have a choice. The story you told me on circumstances. We didn't have any choice. It's okay. How would it feel if I tell you that I can find a place for you to stay? Ma? Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. That's alright. You said it already. I'll be glad to see you. Alright?
Hey, Lady Gold, you again.
She told me everything you said to her. Now, she told me. Are you sure you want to bring the girl in?
Lady baby, I am ready to do everything within my reach to draw her close to us.
Hey, Lady Gold. Hey, you again.
But I don't really know much about her. The only thing I know is that she's an orphan. She dropped out of school due to school fees. That's all.
That's okay. You know what? I am ready to take care of all her responsibilities.
Hey! You? Lady Good.
What?
Anyway, I know you now. I know your plans now. It's me now. I know your plans. Anyway, I've not known her for a long time. But the little time I have, I think she's worth helping.
She's so humble and beautiful.
Hey, Susie Good. Mind yourself, bro. Hey. Hey, just drink. This is okay.
Hi. It's very big. Where are the people who are going to be living with? We're going to be here all alone by ourselves in our own world.
In this big house. Anything for my sweetheart.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
No. Please get up.
Thank you so much.
No. What you can say is, thank you, Mommy Susie.
Yes.
And that's how I want it to always be.
Thank you, Mommy Susie.
Good. So,
thank you, ma.
Not again.
I thank you, ma.
No. I thank you, Mommy Susie.
Yes, Mommy Susie. Thank you, ma.
Not again. So I take you to like the house?
I love this. I love it so much.
That's good.
God bless you, ma. I mean, Mommy Susie. Yes.
That's it. Okay, come sit down.
Mommy. Sorry, ma. I mean, come on, Susie.
Come on, sit down. Sit down. This is your house.
Thank you so much, ma. Mommy Susie. I really appreciate everything. But there's one more thing I need to settle.
Go ahead. So what is it?
I haven't told my boyfriend that I'll be leaving.
That's alright. You can do that this weekend. But next, we have to go to Unique Boutique so you can pick one or two things and change your outfit.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, Mommy Susie.
Will you get up?
Thank you, Mommy Susie. Thank you so
You know
much.
what? Anytime you want to show appreciation, don't kneel down for me.
Okay.
Do me one favor. Give me a...
Yes, Mommy Susie. Thank you so much, ma. Mommy Susie, thank you, ma. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful, ma.
My goodness, okay. You are always so dogmatic and you take things too personal. Particularly when it has to do with important decisions concerning others. Why do you always do that?
Dogmatic?
Yes!
You're always trying to twist words to confuse me, dead man. It's not gonna work.
It's not true! My love, the woman is harmless. I mean, what has she done to you? Why do you hate her so much?
I don't hate her. Before you go back and tell her that I do.
What do you mean by that? I mean, what are you saying?
I'm saying, when something is not right, it's not right.
Okay. What is not right?
Okay. The fact that this woman comes out of nowhere, rents you an apartment, changes your life completely. That's what's not right.
That is so not true. That is so not true, okay? People help people. She's only trying to help me.
My love, why are you doing this? I mean, it's not like we are married. Maybe all this is wrong. We shouldn't be living together in the first place.
I'm working on it. We're going to be married soon. You know that I love you. Don't you leave me.
How can you say that? That's what this is all about. You're jealous.
Yeah. I don't want anybody to take you away from me.
Nobody is taking me away. I'm only trying to get for myself a new apartment. I'm not going anywhere.
Can I come and see you after that?
Anytime, of course.
Promise me we'll get married soon.
Yes, I mean, don't be silly. Yes.
So, I hope your new apartment is okay.
Yes, very, very okay.
So tomorrow we'll start talking about your schooling. Can we? I take your silence to mean a yes. Okay. See, you have to go and see your HOD tomorrow. Let's start from there.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I mean, you've been... Nobody has ever...
It's okay. Just keep being the good girl you are. Alright?
Thank you so much.
Okay. One more thing. I love my privacy a lot. And I want you to also imbibe that kind of attitude, even when you're in school.
Sure. Okay.
Tomorrow then.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You need to prepare anything?
Oh, yes. Yes, I did.
I did. I'm finished. Remember to fill the forms and return them to the HOD. I think it says lecture is already halfway.
Yes, Mom. I
Why are you so quiet? You've been like this since we came back.
Nothing, Mom.
Why are you always doing this? Why? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I just really appreciate everything you have done for me. And I don't know how to say thank you. And that is what bothers me.
Really?
Yes, Mom. You've been so kind to me. You're the only one who has shown me so much love and kindness. And I honestly wish I could show my appreciation, but there's nothing I can do. I just really wish there was something I can do to show you how great.
You really want to show appreciation?
Yes, Mom. Anything.
She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad.
Mommy, what have I done? What have I done?
You've always shown deep love and appreciation. From the very first time I set my eyes on you, I liked you. I like you a lot.
I'm so confused. I never knew I could do anything like this.
I'm saying, you only did it out of love and appreciation. I should be the one saying I'm sorry to you, not you, okay? It'll be alright.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything again. Just sleep and rest. I'll be in the bathroom. Lie down and rest. Sleep. You've done nothing wrong.
What have I done? God, what have I done?
She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl.
I want you to help me make a choice of car gift for my friend. You've been in this mood since yesterday. I have told you that whatever I did it out of love. Okay? Okay. Now come and help me choose.
She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl.
this will be alright for her.
This one is okay. If I were asked to pick a car for myself, I'd pick this one.
Alright. Hey, Cadillac. Come. Give the key to this car to my engine.
To me?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God! You. Oh my God!
You deserve it.
Oh my goodness!
Cheer up, eh?
This mine? Thank you. Thank you.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yes, she comes. She's cute and
Weekend, yes.
You don't see the girl for you. No idea.
Happening does. I am not in the mood, so let's get going.
Well, I'm in the mood. Girls, let's go and see.
Hey! Because I want you to know the opportunity to embarrass me. Embarrass me? Embarrass me! And then you have to go there right now, okay? Let's go. Okay. Mommy, the network is really bad. I'll call you again. Yeah? Okay, I'll call you again. Alright, Mom. Love you.
Hi.
I'll call you.
I'm waiting for your text.
I'm actually saying hello to you. Like, hi. God is in heaven. I saw this coming. What nonsense is this?
This is rubbish.
Just let her be, okay?
This is
I
rubbish.
must get back to where I swear to God, okay? Just let's go. Let's deal with this girl. Hey! Oh!
You like it, right? My God! Oh, I'm sorry. Sit, please. What do you think?
Are you saying you now live here?
Yes, I mean, God, it's so beautiful. And it's big. Oh.
Who did you say this woman really is?
Oh, come on, okay. I told you about her before. No. I'd rather tell you about the details. Which is, I am back to school.
What are you saying?
That's the tip of the iceberg. I now have my own car.
Do you mean this woman bought you a car?
I am so drop you off in the
You mean you can now drive?
Yes. My God.
Lima, you have changed.
Okay, wait.
Okay, my man.
Baka.
Yeah, now.
Hello. What's in the apple?
Nothing.
Is this your car?
This is just one of my cars.
Baka. Video. Did you win a lottery or a contract or something?
I tell you, say one day. Okay, my man. This is for you. Don't mention, just.
Okay. Is this supposed to be the money you're owing me or?
Relax.
Baka!
I promise you something.
Baka, waiting there, Baka.
I'll be coming time to time. Just relax. Come, okay, where is this your voice now?
Come!
I'm coming.
May they come now. Where? Come, guy. Baka!
Hey, bro, I'm coming, please.
Jaman, hey, Jaman, sir. I hear you, sir. Jaman. You the senior man. Jaman. Thank you, sir. Afternoon bread is on Jaman.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl.
I was trying to listen to music. You like it?
Yeah. That's good music.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
So how are you coping with school, studies, and everything?
School is stressful, very stressful, but I'm trying to adjust. I'm just trying to get used to it again.
One more thing. I want you to be careful the kind of friends you make. If possible, stay alone. I'm ready to provide you with everything you need that will make you comfortable. Okay?
Okay, Mommy, I promise. And thank you. But can I ask why?
Sure. Why? Well, I'll let you know later, not today.
Okay. Yes, Mommy, you can trust me. Of course.
Uche? Who is she? You don't know her? One of the richest man in this country. I'm serious.
Really?
I'm serious. I miss you.
Okay, Mommy. Bye. I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Does that mean the girl is her daughter?
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl.
Are you serious? Remember, this can't be the sweet man. Enough that. Take your husband.
man, you give money the wrong thing. I wish this how we when the connection starts ringing, like you too. Yeah, check, come.
Can I sit by you? Hi. Hello, my name is Cheesy. And yours?
I'm not in the habit of telling strangers my name.
Actually, I just want you to be my friend. You know, I like you so much. I like your way. Yeah.
Are you in the habit of always throwing yourself at strangers?
I'm
not done yet.
Okay.
If you don't mind, please excuse me.
Babe, bust this girl.
Can't do that now. My mother has money. Plenty money and connections. And she's a fine girl. Look at her dressing now. She's a chick, fine chick now.
This girl is irritating.
If you think this gets loaded, we are also loaded.
I wonder.
You don't have money. You don't have money.
So this friendship is by force.
It's by force. By force, by fire. Hey, you don't understand.
By fire, by fire.
By fire, by force. Don't worry. She will like
She must be your friend.
I'm talking about this girl.
By fire.
This girl is fine. That's why I want it. Okay. What do you mean? What is wrong with you, okay? What do you want me to do? You have not ceased to remind me of one wrongdoing or the other on my part since you got in here about an hour ago. What is it I did? What? I want to get an education. I want to catch up on things I haven't caught up on. Is that what I did wrong? That means I want to leave you? Why would you say that?
But you are leaving me.
What do you want me to do? What?
I want you to come back to the life we have.
You are such a terrible person. You're the most selfish man I've ever met in my entire life.
You shouting at me. And you just call me selfish?
Yes! You are selfish! You want me to leave everything? My education? Everything?
I don't want you to leave school now. But I want you to leave this school. If that woman didn't care about you, she could have spoken to me first.
Oh! My God! What do you want?
You are not thinking this good, man.
I love you too. But I cannot leave everything I have here and go with you. I want to get educated.
Say something. You haven't said a word since then. I'm very sorry. Please, Mom. Get up.
You heard me. Get up. Done anything to me. I mean it. Get up. Sit on my legs. See,
myself for loving you the way I do. See, since the first day I met you, I've fallen head over heels for you. I'm in love with you. You know what you did? I asked you if I can trust you, and you said yes.
Yes, Mommy.
I asked
Why are you asking me all these questions?
I love you. I want to ask you again. Can I trust you?
You can trust me. I agreed to have an oath with you. I should show you for real.
You are assuring me that nothing will come between us. Nobody.
Nothing?
Nobody. Nobody.
Who wants to feel it? Oh my dear, I'm even tired. I want to go home and eat.
You want to go and eat?
Hello? Hi. My name is Chidima. I'm the owner of the phone you're holding. I actually don't know where I misplaced it. I can't really place how it fell off my hand or something. Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Where? I'll be there right now. What color? Okay. I'll be there right now. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. How much?
20 naira.
Ada, you should know that things are very hard. I mean, you shouldn't expect your poor mother, as in, to pay your school fees at a snap.
Juliet, what kind of life is this? What kind of life is this?
Please.
To pay for handout is a problem.
Oh God.
To buy textbook is a problem. You that is talking, have you not paid your school fees?
I have, but it wasn't easy.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Good afternoon. Which of you is Ada? I'm Ada. Are you Chidima? Yes. Oh. Can you pick the phone? Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Thank you. Alright, bye. Thanks.
It's okay now.
Excuse me. Sorry dear, but why are you crying?
Nothing. It's just a personal issue. My dear, it's not. She's only crying because she's not paying her school fees. I know our examination is fast approaching.
That's really terrible. I mean, you're a very nice girl. You shouldn't be crying. But it's okay. Nobody will have done what you did. I mean, picking my phone up and then returning it back to me, that's huge. How much is the fee?
Don't worry. My mother will send it for me.
Oh, shut up and answer her. Come on, answer her. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Thanks for the fee. What? No. I didn't do it for the money. I'm giving it to you. Take it as a sign of appreciation. Go on.
Speak the money, please. Maybe God have answered us. Come on, please.
Just go on. It's okay. I'm giving it to you.
Like, really? All of it?
Come on, all of it, yes.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad.
How are you? Oh, you're looking so beautiful.
So?
Why I'm here?
Yes.
Have you forgotten you told me yesterday that today is your lecture-free day, except for the quiz you have by 9 a.m.?
My God!
Okay. Have you also forgotten that I said you'll be escorting me to somewhere today?
Okay, I'm so sorry. I honestly thought I was supposed to come over to your office. I'm sorry.
I just wanted to give you a surprise.
Oh, yes.
Hi. What happened?
Why didn't you read?
Wow. Oh boy, Chico.
What are you mind?
This one's huge. Oh. What is she, bro?
Yeah.
We can't be too sure until we know. And we can't know until we go. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm fine.
Who are they?
That's
Can I help you girls?
Well, actually, she's actually a friend, and I guess you'll be the mother, so just came to say hi.
I like your daughter a lot.
I see. So hi. Hi, school.
School is fine, thank you. We're doing great, ma.
Okay.
Hello.
You don't want to say hello to your friends?
I'll see you girls later.
Okay.
Who are they then?
No, they just keep following me around. They want to be my friend, and then they're so pushy, and then I just don't like them. They disgust me. Besides, you said be on your own when you get to school. Don't make friends when you get to school. It's better for you to be alone than to be with the crowd.
That's my girl talking. But that doesn't mean you should be rude to people.
I'm not being rude. Not being rude. I'm only being careful. That's what it's called. Careful.
I know, my friend.
Come on.
Stop exaggerating because they are nowhere close to being okay. I think they are too full of themselves.
You know what I think? I think that we are gradually warming our way into their hearts.
Yeah.
You know these high-class people, it's very difficult to penetrate into their circle.
Spare
But
me.
you know what? You will.
Please.
Don't worry.
I'm not caught at you.
Mommy, where are we going?
My baby.
Just relax, okay? Trust me.
Try not to misunderstand me. I have a reason for doing whatever I do. Okay? Be strong. Whatever you see, don't talk. Don't shout. You said you trusted me. Good. Tell me, how much do you love me?
Very much.
Who on earth do you love more than me? I mean, apart from God himself.
No one.
Even your boyfriend?
Not even him.
Let's do it. Be strong for me, okay?
Well, if anybody with useful information concerning his whereabouts should not hesitate to let us know.
Already we have declared him missing, so police will do everything humanly possible to make sure he is found. So just feel free to let us know for any information. Police is your friend, just feel free.
You wait till like woman teach you.
What did this happen to her?
Doctor, she's fragile. Dimma is very fragile. Just because her boyfriend traveled abroad without prior information. She fainted the moment she received his call from abroad.
Those children of nowadays. Anyway, she'll be fine. When she wakes up, just give her the tablet and take. Okay. Bye. Okay.
Dimma.
Okay.
Dimma.
That's okay.
Dimma. Dimma, my love.
No, don't touch me! Dimma. Okay? Okay? Okay!
Dimma. Dimma. I do not blame you. I blame Faith for bringing me to do what you see me do now. But listen to me. I do not own my life or determine the tide tempest of life will take me. Nobody was born with the knowledge of what he or she will be. Every man survives daily, only to wake up the next day with a new experience. I know in your mind, you you will say I have no moral justification for killing. But fate has no moral justification to deal badly with us, or does it? I do not enjoy what I do. No, I don't. But it is fate that has dragged me this way. The story of my life started 10 years ago when my husband died.
It's okay, women! It's okay. Women, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Sit down. Go and have your seat, please. It's okay. Please, go and have your seat. Our wife. This is just the beginning of your stories of war. Yes! Since you are bold enough to kill our brother. Yes! Susan, shut up, bro. I did not kill my husband. You did.
Shut up! Don't you ever interrupt an elder. Yes. After this your incident, no woman married into this community will ever repeat what we have done. Yes! I want to use it for an example.
It's okay, women, it's okay.
Our wife, the only way to prove yourself innocence is by obeying the full right of the widowhood.
Our tradition.
Correct.
Me, Susan, sleep with 7 priests of the 7 evil rivers. You must I'd rather die. Sit down, you must.
It's okay, our daughters. She is a breastfeeding woman. You cannot hurt her.
What a wicked world. What a wicked place. Why take me through this pain?
Where you rightly belong. You must be out of your mind. Shut up, woman. You are the one who is out of your mind.
You must be all crazy. How dare you bring me here? Where's my baby? Where is my baby?
Your baby is safe wherever she is.
Which is where?
She is with your mother-in-law. Yes, with your mother-in-law.
Oh my God.
You are here to perform your duty as a widow. Yes, of which you are obstinate. After the burial of your husband, which has taken more than 6 weeks.
You people have no faintest idea of what happened through. You don't know what I'm going through.
Tie her down. Come on, position yourself. Come on.
I couldn't go today because cancer is very sick.
What a wicked world. What a wicked place.
All three of them? What happened?
My dear, that's a story for another day. They called me all sorts of names. They called me witch, Obanji, everything evil. At the end, they sent me away without a pin. The worst of it all is that I was not even privileged to witness the burial of my 3 lovely daughters. Hey! At the end, I went back to the city. I found out that my husband's younger brother had taken over our house and all my husband's group of companies, that is the Iron group of companies.
What happened next?
My dear, where will I start and where will I end? So many things happened. Let me cut the long story short. Our gate man gave us accommodation. Due to the fact that my husband took the responsibility of paying his children's school fees when he was still alive, he had to give us accommodation.
What about your brother?
He was serving in Nasarawa State. I had nobody to help me. Within 1 year, my son fell sick.
God. Not again.
He had bronchitis.
What is that?
An illness that affects the bronchial tube that leads to the lungs. Meanwhile, he was asthmatic from childhood.
My God.
I had to sell all my belongings that were left to get him hospitalized. My whole life savings went with it. Amaka had to drop out of school. I had to go to the park to beg so I can survive. Meanwhile, I did not know that my 16-year-old Amaka has been influenced by the ghetto environment. She was introduced to all sorts of rough life. Smoking, drinking, following men. One day, the policeman came to me and asked me that I was needed at the police station.
Why?
I did not know what transpired between her and her man friend. I was not there. The fact that my daughter was no longer a virgin was devastating enough, not to talk of the fact that when I got to the police station, they were talking about murder case.
Murder?
Don't judge me. All I live now is your support. You know, you told me that you were sexually abused by the chief priest. Same way I was forced to do what I did for Junior to live. I slept with men.
But the doctor said Junior continue to receive.
I made him swear never to tell you. I do not derive pleasure from those men I sleep with. No. I sleep with them for their money. I don't enjoy doing this. I don't. Most of the time, I use to this money. I go out.
Hi. Now tell me what happened. What brought about this murder case? What is it? Why this one?
Mommy. And the man picked me up for the night. When it was time for sex.
Chief. What, baby? You told me that your family traveled and I should come over to keep you company.
You see, baby, I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. But I want to make love with you.
But Chief, you know you just came back from medical checkup. And why don't you wait until you're okay?
I'm alright, I'm healthy. I'm physically fit, baby. I'm okay. You see, I'll give you money. Money, I'll give you money.
You give me money?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay, if you say you're okay.
I'm okay. Okay, please.
Okay, Chief.
You are so sweet like this.
Let me go and freshen
Oh, baby, you are too much. Okay, now freshen up. You see, I told you I'm healthy. I told you.
Yeah, sure.
See, I'm freshen up. That is fine. Must be a good evening.
That was how my daughter was taken away from me. The matter was taken to court. Because I had no money to take it up. The man's wife, in collaboration with the lawyer, sent her to jail.
Jailed her? That's not possible. I mean, she's underage.
Dima, my dear, with money, everything is possible. They falsified her age. In fact, I don't want to remember it.
Where is she now?
2 months later, she died in jail.
What?
As at that time, my son was still very sick at the hospital. One day, I ran into my classmate who promised to help me take him to India for treatment. By this time, I had lost all normal sense of reasoning. All I wanted was solution. I was ready to do anything to make sure I brought my son back on his feet again. That was when I met her. And she introduced me to human sacrifice. I mean, what you saw the other day.
Oh my God.
I may not have any moral justification for what I do. But indeed, I needed a solution.
Your son? Where is he?
He's the only happy end to the story. My friend made me so rich. I had to fly him to overseas for treatment. We came back 2 months later. By then, Amaka was already dead.
And since then?
All this happened 16 years ago. All my natural affection for men died with my husband. I now feel more secured with my fellow women. Tima, you remind me very much of my daughter Amaka. All I've done for you is what I would have liked to do for her. I know I might not have any moral justification for what I do.
Mommy, it's okay.
I know you hate me now because of your boyfriend.
That's enough for today. I love you. And I do understand.
Since your father died, have you ever seen me received money from any man? No, Mama, but shh, I'm still talking, Adudu. Are you trying to tell me that it was not a man that gave you the money? Then who did?
A girl, Mama. Why are you stressing this issue again? I thought we've resolved it on the phone.
Ezioku. Okay, which girl in this country will give you 40,000 naira? Eh?
Mama, are you doubting me? I can't believe this. Mama, I told you that I picked a girl's phone, gave it back to her, and she gave me that money out of appreciation.
Just like that.
Eh, Mama, so are you saying it doesn't pay to be good? Mama, that phone I gave to that girl is worth more than 100,000 naira. Nobody will do it though. Nobody. Mama, if you see that phone, you will know that this money she gave me is even small. Mama, do you know what you're saying? Do you know how much I will make if I had sold that phone?
Are you sure you are telling me the truth?
Mama, have I ever lied to you before? I'm telling you the truth. She just gave me that money because I gave her phone back to her.
Okay, the money. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. Worthy. You are worthy, Lord. Worthy, worthy. You are worthy, Lord. Worthy, worthy. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. Father, King of Glory, as we are about to lie down and sleep tonight, Father, we beg for your grace. We beg for your mercies to come and guide and protect us. We come against every principalities and powers. We come against any power of witches and wizards, Father. They shall not torment us in Jesus' name. Father, we shall sleep and rise up in the morning, finding ourselves strong in Jesus' name. No weapon fashioned against us shall ever prosper in our lives in Jesus' name. I commit your daughter into your hand, Father. Come and guide me. Come and protect me. Come and be my source. King of glory, you are my helper. Father, King of glory, I cannot do without you, O Lord. Guide and protect us. Help our helpers. Let them not run from us. In Jesus' name I pray. May we share the grace together. I've made arrangement to sell some of my wrappers so that I can raise money for your upkeep.
Mama, why now? You don't need it. Actually, that's one of the things I came up to discuss with you. And then we started this argument about the girl. I wanted to tell you that I got a job.
Eh? You did?
I got a job in a fast food joint where I mop floors and they pay me. So with that money I can get little things that I need, pay my buy handouts and other things that I need. So I don't want you to be stressing yourself anymore.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. But how are you going to cope? I mean, working and studying.
Mama. Don't worry, I know how to share my time. Besides, those people, they know I'm a student, so sometimes they give me some days off and then days I'm on duty, I come do my thing and then go back to school. Don't worry, I'm managing well and I don't want you to stress yourself anymore.
God bless you. Hey, what of your hostel accommodation? You say something about that.
Oh, that, yes, Mama. I had to find a way to cut costs. Right now, we're 3 in the room and we share the rent amongst us. I've already taken care of my own part of the rent. So don't worry yourself, Mama.
Help, God. God will surely bless you for me.
Amen, Mama. Don't
God will bless you for me.
She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl.
I want you to escort me to somewhere tomorrow, very early in the morning.
Okay, Mommy. No problem. But where are we going?
Where your boyfriend got lost. No, I don't need you to be scared, eh? Whatever I'm doing, I'm not doing it because I hate you or because I want to hurt you. But because I want you to be strong and brave. The way to make money is hard. Okay? I want you to have a lion heart. Can you trust me? Don't be scared. I can hurt you.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl.
Mommy, what is it? I mean, why are you bothering yourself over nothing? Over nothing? How can you say a thing like that? Eh? Can't you see that? Don't you understand what I'm up against?
I don't understand.
You won't understand, my angel. You won't.
Mommy, make me understand. You never can tell. I might be of help.
No. You can't help me. It's not possible.
Why are you treating me this way? I'm worried about you. At least tell me what the problem is. You never can say. I might be of help.
I said no, you can't help me. You cannot.
Sorry.
Sorry, angel. I must deliver somebody today, otherwise my life will be in danger.
So why are we here? I mean, is somebody supposed to bring...
Yes. I have people who do it for me. This is the place where they say I should stay to collect today. I don't know.
Mommy, then don't worry. We can go and check back tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, can't you understand, Dimma? Eh? I must deliver today. It's like a covenant that must be fulfilled that same day. Don't you understand?
Okay, why don't we like look for an alternative?
They normally deliver. I don't know what's holding them.
happened?
They couldn't find anyone.
Mommy, I think I know what to do.
What?
Let's go to my school.
Let's go.
Mommy, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I am fine, very fine. Thank you, ma.
My God. I mean, everywhere is so dry. Everybody has gone to the hostel.
Yeah.
Oh. My mom wanted to give me a treat and I was thinking I could meet some of my friends here so we could go together.
I don't mind joining you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't you think we should pick up some other girls? Like...
no need. No need. I'm sure they won't go home. As you can see, I'm the only one left.
Lucky you. Kenny, let's go.
Alright.
I know you may be wondering how I managed to hypnotize them, right? Don't worry. Before I leave, I'm going to give you a towel and I'll show you how to use it, okay?
Mommy, I don't understand. I mean, how did the girl willingly get into the boot?
Get down.
I'm scared.
Get down from the car. You are now a full member of this organization. As soon as I leave, you'll be in charge of depositing people here for sacrifice. Okay?
Can I do this?
Of course you can.
If you don't, you will die.
Okay.
Let's go. You did me proud the other day. And I said to myself, she deserves a new toy. So that's why I brought you here to make a choice from this category of cars. My my dear.
Like anyone?
Anyone from this.
My God, Mommy, what would I have been without you? What?
The same thing I said yesterday. If not for you, where would I have been?
Mommy, listen. I'll always be there for you. Always, as long as I live!
The very first day I met you, I knew I made the right choice. Anyone?
Like I said, do the assignment, pass it over to the customer. That will be all for now. Remember, your exams are fast coming. Okay? Yes, sir. We are that. Yes, sir.
It seems that you're very busy.
No, obviously, I am.
Yeah, we were waiting for you outside while you were receiving your lectures.
Really? Honestly, I don't remember asking for a chaperone or having one.
Dima is your name, right?
The last time I remember, yes.
Yeah, I want to ask, what's so special about your friendship anyway? What?
Oh, I wouldn't know. I mean, I don't remember asking for your friendship or companion. But your friend Cheesy here keeps pushing for it. And from the way she pushes, I'm so certain there's something special about my friendship. Or don't you think so, Cheesy?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Yes. And you are?
My name is Ijeoma, but my friends called me EJ. Girls, you can stay here and beg for the friendship of Almighty Dima. As for me, I'm out of here.
IJ, come back here! IJ, come back here!
She got.
Honestly, I advise you girls to go her way. I mean, scram. Because seriously, I don't have any business or any issue to discuss with both of you.
See, this is I mean, you know that if he comes to your friend, you really want to be your friend. Like, we like you a lot. Like real friends. Yeah? Like, really like you. Yes.
You do. Earn it, girls. Earn it.
What is about this girl that just gives me crazy fire all the time? Just like that, I don't even know why.
I beg. I'm wondering for you, sir. Let's go. Yeah. No, I'm so hungry. I just want to take something. I'll call you back.
Auntie.
Auntie, good afternoon. What are you doing here?
I work here.
How? I mean, I thought I saw you at the eatery the other day.
I work there too.
Oh, wow. I mean, how do you do that? I mean, how do you combine your studies and work?
Well, sometimes it's very difficult. But I manage. You know, we have to pay for a lot of things on this campus. We have to pay for accommodation, handouts and all that. And I really need the money.
I do understand, yes. That's really nice of you. I mean, not everybody can do this. It's good.
I just have to.
Come, sit. Let me buy you a drink.
Oh, no. Thank you. My madam will kill me. You know how they are. I just have to do this. And I still have afternoon lectures.
still have to mop the kitchen, so I'm actually in a hurry.
My goodness, you do so much. Okay, let me give you money for transport. At least something. I mean, I'm really inspired by you, honestly, I must say. Okay.
Not again.
Come on. Come on. Alright. There you go.
Thank you.
I am giving it to you. I honestly do appreciate the things you do. Come on. It's okay, really.
5,000 naira!
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Thank you. God will bless you.
Anytime.
Who's supposed to serve me?
Oh, you take my order?
Okay.
Mommy, there's something I want to ask you.
Alright, let's hear it. I noticed that you easily get weak.
Why?
My goodness. You never cease to amaze me.
Am I lying?
Let's hear more.
I mean, at first I thought it was office dress, but for the past 2 weeks now I observed that you
observe well, my dear. Oh, Emma. This is the main reason why you are so dear to me. You are so intelligent, and I love you for that, and for many other reasons. Dima, I am sick.
What? Mommy, what's the matter? What's wrong?
Pull yourself together, my dear. What I'm about to tell you now might frighten you.
You're really frightening me. Why are you scaring me? What's wrong?
My angel, I have cancer of the cervix.
What? Did you just say cancer of the cervix? Did you just say cancer? Oh my god. Cancer, you just said it. Goodness, cancer of the cervix. You mean down there? You know cancer of the cervix? No! Quiet. Quiet. When is it? Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh my goodness, please cut this shit. Hi. I can say thank you. I mean, my mother told me how you girls helped me.
Thanks.
Honestly, I do appreciate it.
Don't mention.
So who drove?
I did.
Oh my goodness. Well,
Are you girls busy?
No, we're not busy. We're fine. We're free. Like very free.
Good deal. How about I take you out? Ice cream? I mean, that's the least I could do.
Wow. Oh, that's nice. Good deal. So, shall we? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm not dead yet. Neither am I going to die.
Mommy, I don't like it when you give me false hope. Cancer of the cervix.
The last test I did at the National Hospital Abuja shows that the cancer has not spread yet.
That's supposed to be good news for me.
Oh yeah. But the reason why I called you is to tell you that I'll be going to the United States of America for surgery.
Surgery?
You have to be strong for me. I know you love me. That is why I must go to the United States of America for surgery, so I can come back.
I'm going with you. Don't try to stop me because I must go with you. I have to.
I want you to go with me, my angel. But you have to stay back for the kind of business we do. It needs continuity. I want to know if I can trust you with the kind of business we do.
Of course you can trust me. You know you can trust me.
The surgery I'm going for is a very delicate one. The doctor says it's a 60-40 case. I have finalized the arrangement. I'll be leaving by Thursday next week. And I want you to take good care of yourself for me.
Mommy, you sound as though you're not coming back.
Of course I'll come back. I'll come back.
Oh God.
I just want you to be strong for me, my angel.
When are you coming back? It's ready.
The last sacrifice before I leave is tomorrow. Are you ready, my angel?
Yes, it's ready.
Mommy, I really wish I could follow you to the US.
Me too. My angel. That's why I want us to go to Dubai first so we can spend some good time together before I leave.
Are you sure you'll come back soon?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You're so beautiful. Can wake me from the dead even if I die.
Mommy,
watch it.
I'm watching. God, I'm going to miss you so much. I'll miss you.
I'm already missing you.
Okay. You add this one to make it 11. But look here. This is really dirty. Like, you have to wash it first on these areas, yeah? No problem. Okay, my own is fine. Wash them properly.
You know, say your money don't come up well.
Oh, money is not a problem.
Hey, no! Stop it! What
of this? Why are you get my clothes very close to this eczema-infected clothes? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? This smelling you have the effrontery to open this so stinking mouth that I've never been washed for ages to come in here. Referring to my clothes. That thing coming out from your body, that smell.
You know, really, this is nice.
I know. Oh,
Girl, sexy friend.
Really nice, seriously. I like you a lot.
Thank
but
you.
Go. What's smelling? Oh my God!
Hey, get going.
Would you go?
Go, yeah.
Go.
Keep moving.
Get our shoe. Believe 4K. Tata. Come, Ada, come here. Come, just come here. Come. I've been looking for you all over this campus.
I hope there's no problem.
Yes, there is problem. Plenty problem. There's problem. How dare you wash my clothes with that stupid, dirty, smelling Necker's clothes? How dare you?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? You don't understand. You don't understand, right? That I went to collect my clothes and I throw it all over Necker's clothes. Smelling!
No, I washed them separately. I even spread them separately.
No, you're taking this too far. You're taking it too far.
It's okay. Try it again now. Try it again. Try it. I will deal with you in this school.
That's sorry.
Monkey vulture!
Sorry.
You cannot be like this. Nonsense. You're too big for this. I'll catch you. It's not good now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Why are you crying?
I didn't do anything to them.
It's okay. Take it easy. All right. Why don't you come to the car and tell me what happened?
Okay, come. Sorry. Oh, sorry, my dear. Please stop crying. Okay, just come in and tell me what happened, okay?
Come in, my dear. Come in. Well, this is my humble abode. You are so welcome.
Gee, you mean this is your house?
Yes.
You stay here alone?
Of course I stay here alone. Sit down. Sit down. It's beautiful. Thank you. What would you want to drink?
Anything softer. Such an innocent person. I mean, no alcohol.
Okay. And what would you want to eat?
Anything.
Okay. Just bear in mind you're not going back this night. You and I are going to stay here alone.
Are you serious? You mean I'll stay in this house with you?
Yes, you will. Let me get you something to eat. I love you, of course.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad.
Come on, Ada. You look really pretty. Girls here would want to be you, so why are you shy? Calm down, go get your lectures, and don't look at anybody's face.
It's just that I've never worn anything like this before. Not at home, and this is my first time wearing something like this in school.
Well,
I'm nervous.
Trust me, don't be nervous. You look extremely pretty. Just go out there and swag it on. Just go there, take your lectures, get really serious, and everything will be fine.
Okay? Thank you. Thank you for everything. I know you don't like me saying it, but thank you. I can't help it.
Just silly. That's what you are. Silly. Go on.
Alright. I will. You sure I look
Go on. You're beautiful.
Go. Thank you.
Daddy, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cats. She's high, she's
pretty. And so?
What do you mean by saying? Can't you see what I'm saying?
Becky feeling funky. Please, I have better things to bug myself with. Show me something.
She's wearing short skirts.
What do you mean that she's relaxing? Why are you telling me to relax? When you just told me that stupid other girl slept in the massage, you're asking me to relax. Why?
I did not say she slept because I wasn't there to know if she slept or not. I only said I saw her drop off a few minutes ago.
Putting on Dima's clothes and shoes. Can you imagine a girl I drove home after she got herself drunk at the club? She could not even take us into her house. And her almighty mommy, her mother, could not even bring herself to appreciate us.
IG, this girl took us shopping. She bought us clothes, shoes. Italian, you're even putting on one of them.
Oh, please, don't even go there. Don't give me that. Well, she took us out, bought us Italian clothes, Brazilian, South African, and everything. Okay, that's not the point right now. The issue is that if anyone should get close to Dima on this campus, it should be me on this campus. It should be me, understood? Chizzy, us. You, us, not you.
When I say me, I mean Cheesy. And when I say us, I mean Bimbo and IJ. Right now, it is me. Hey. Understood?
Alright, sugar pie. Not understood. Because we are friends, we play the same league, we have same interest, and right now, we aim at same thing, which is the mass friendship. So, it is us.
What's
us?
This? Seriously, the only reason why I'm pissed right now is that stupid girl is gradually penetrating into Dima's heart. And you know how that Dima girl is now? When she gets there, it will be so difficult for me to get there. And you know it.
Cheesy. It will be so difficult for us to get there. Alright? Not you. Stop personalizing this thing.
Please tell her.
Okay, you know what? Just let's forget about all that. Tell me, what department is that stupid girl in? What department?
I think it's Angel's apartment. I mean, you should have seen her. She was putting on short skirt, trying to look sexy.
See, baby, but just stop. Why are you trying to get me angry again?
You make her feeling funky.
I know.
Sure, do that.
Chi, I told you not to worry about that issue. This is what I do to make ends meet. And in my kind of job, insults can come from everywhere.
That's not an excuse. For a student to slap another student, that's like madness. It's unruly, it's wrong.
Let's not talk about it, okay? Let's just drop it.
Don't get me wrong.
I don't want to remember that ugly issue.
Don't get me wrong. Ada, you're like a sister to me. I'm asking myself, what am I going to do if somebody does that to my own sister? How can somebody humiliate you and want to get away with it? It's wrong.
Gee, I'm used to it. I mean, they can slap me as much as they want, as long as they give me my money. That's the most important thing.
Money isn't everything.
That's what I work for.
You have to realize that this is wrong. And you have to always stand up for what is wrong. I can't believe you're laughing. You're not even bothered about what
I'm laughing because I'm not bothered.
But it isn't.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon, darling. Do I know you from somewhere?
Hello. This is a university campus, meaning there are lots of faces. Anybody could know anybody.
True.
So, are you better now?
I think she's trying to remember where I know her from.
Oh, I remember her now.
Actually, do you know her?
Of course. She's a nobody.
Oh, that's sad.
She's just a school laundry girl.
Wait. What's it by your stance? Is it one already? No, it's almost one. But my lectures, I have to go back to lectures now. Are you sure you're okay? Yeah. Take care of you, yeah? Are you sure you're okay? Oh, yes. The dirty gutter school laundry girl that wash clothes for everybody on campus. What is wrong with you people? That is wrong. Don't you tell me that? Stop. Seriously, you should be rolling with the big girls like us on campus. I know that girl. She doesn't have anything. She's a gutter girl. Oh my god, you girls are...
Actually, I want to apologize for the embarrassment I gave you yesterday. A girl of your class should not be seen with a low-class girl like me.
Oh, come on, Ada. Listen, Ada. Don't let anyone make you feel that way about yourself. Life, you have to trust yourself. I mean, believe in who you are, else people will bring you down and you want nothing. Besides, I think that laundry business should stop.
Why?
Why, yes. I mean, if it gives you so much trouble, you stop doing it. Besides, now you already know where I stay. I'd love to know where you stay.
I'm sorry I can't. I stay with some friends, my classmates, and they don't let me bring in people to the house.
Well, I mean, fair enough. Whenever they change their mind, do let me know.
Okay.
Besides, I think you need a phone. No! Yes. Come on, I mean, it's for communication. What kind of phone would you want?
Seriously, Limbo. This is all your fault. I swear to God, this is your fault.
Me?
Yes.
How?
You should have just gone as planned.
Okay, I should be her friend, blah blah blah. Whatever.
Listen to me. You have just allowed me to do most of the talking. Things would have just gone differently. Chizzy, things have gone wrong and we are all involved. So I think what we should do right now is to look for a solution. Let's go and apologize to the man. Yeah. Maybe she just forgive us and take us back as friends.
Yeah. And we'll be frenemies. You know, friend plus enemy. Frenemy.
I mean, who is talking about that wretched goat? Huh? I am talking about the man here, not that thing. And also at the... See, the friend to your friend is your enemy. Let's just go and apologize. We pretend. Not because we like Ada, but because we want Dima. But Ada will remain our enemy.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Nothing wrong.
To stoop so to that girl called Ada. I mean, you're too classy for her now, you know it.
Anyway, we're here to say we're sorry.
Still doesn't answer my question. I asked you girls, why do you think Ada does what she does? You think she's having fun? Why do you think she does what she does? Why?
Okay, Dima. Probably because she's poor and she wants to use the money to see herself through school. Okay, see, we're really, really sorry. Okay, we're sorry.
That's impressive. That's really impressive.
I mean, at least you guys know why a girl would stoop so low as to clean or wash things for you people just to make money. Anyways, if you want to make it up to me, you girls are going to have to apologize to Ada.
Oh yes, that's like speak so low.
You have to apologize to her. I know it's difficult. I'm going to give you time to think about it, but you have to apologize to her.
This is pushing it too far.
Sorry. Hello? Yes, Mommy, I'm fine. The first surgery. Mommy, I hope you have the strength to do this. Oh, I'm fine. I mean, all the business, I'm trying my best. You know, you didn't show me to the cellar, so I have to do everything myself. Mommy, trust me. I am doing it well. Don't get worried, okay? I can handle it. Alright, love you. Bye, Mommy. Kiss. Bye. So, I think I know what to do. How about we all go out for some ice cream and then this weekend we just go out, chill out. That is beautiful. Okay, I think I know. So we go out this weekend too?
No. We're having a party.
Yeah.
The multipurpose hall very close to the art blocks on Sunday. Yeah.
It's okay. Just in case you girls change your mind, don't forget to beat me.
Yeah, don't definitely.
Hugs.
Yeah.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad.
These phones are for my friends. Okay. This one is for Cheesy and this two is for Bimbo.
Okay.
Give it to them, but please, after the party. Okay. Alright, don't give them now, please. And you don't know my whereabouts, you don't know anything about me.
No problem,
thank you. Enjoy the party, alright?
Bye.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl.
What are you doing here, IJ? Dima, so you wanted to go shopping with Cheesy secretly without us, isn't it?
Cheesy wasn't enjoying the party, so I felt I should take her out. Maybe I'll take you guys out during the weekend.
Okay, I thought, you know.
How did you get here?
Anyway, this is what happened. We were at the party, her phone was with me, so a text came in, I looked, it was your name, so out of curiosity, I thought I should read it, so I read it.
My God! You mean nobody knows you're here?
Nobody. But
That's going to be our little secret, won't it?
Well, our little secret. Sure.
Alright. Yes, Ada.
Oh, let me quickly pick her up.
Get in.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl.
Hey, stop. Bimbo, Uche said I should give you this phone. Where's she? I don't know. She went out. She just went out. She said I should give you the phone. And she didn't get sick. Was she sick? I don't know. Are you serious? Why would she do such a thing? I don't know. Maybe when you see her, you can answer. Okay. Thanks, Sha. Your part was really nice. Eh? Thanks so much. Okay.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl.
Mommy, why is the procedure taking so much time? I know that cancerous diseases are very dangerous, but it's taking quite long. Yes, I've delivered the person. Mommy, you have to come back soon. The load is too much on me. I mean, it's just too much. Okay, I know. I promised I was going to be strong. I'm strong. I am. But you have to come back soon. Okay. I love you too. I miss you. Okay. Bye.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl.
Cheesy, Bimbo, and Angel.
I'm Cheesy. I'm Bimbo. My name is Angel. Can I help you?
We were last seen with Ijoma until she was reported missing. So you have to follow us to the school security office for some questioning.
I mean, we didn't do anything. We didn't do anything now. So I follow you to the school security post.
When you get to the office, you will have the whole time to explain all that.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You didn't do anything. You're serious.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
My sister, I saw with you.
How did it really happen?
Dear, we were at Angel's party. I and Bimbo were dancing. She just walked up with us and whispered something to her ears that she was going to ease herself. And that was the last I saw of her.
And Angel says she gave her our phones and left in a hurry.
And she also told Angel not to give us her phone until the party's over.
Why would she do that?
I don't know. The police said during their investigation they realized that someone must have called her on the phone.
Someone?
Yes.
Did you girls see her dancing with anyone strange?
She was just by herself. She wasn't dancing with anybody.
That's true.
Just by herself.
Uche, she rarely dances at parties. She just stays on her own.
God, where could she have gone at that night?
Night? No, the party was on Sunday afternoon. You know the school does not allow parties during SUG week.
I'm sorry. I'm so worried about IJ. I mean, I'm so unhappy.
This is really confusing. It's so confusing because I can't really place this thing right now. I'm so confused about all these things.
Confused?
Yes, where is she?
I know, I'm sad. I was thinking that this weekend we're all going to go out shopping together, but what is happening? I don't know. It's really sad. Like, how God.
Adam, yes. When am I going to know your place? I thought I'd already explained to you. Okay, it's okay. If you don't want me to know your place, just don't forget you're welcome to my place anytime. Please don't take it that way. You know, it's just that I felt you might not like it. It's nothing compared to your place in town. You mean you lied about your friends? Why would you do that? I honestly don't care. I really don't care, honestly. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, that is your phone and spark. Oh God! Oh, thank you! Thank you so much! Oh God! It's nothing. Come on, it's nothing. Really.
First, you started by sleeping out. Next, your dressing changed. You now wear expensive clothes. Now, is a new phone. A 46,000 naira phone. Next thing, you start pretending to be a Christian. Nora, what is your problem? Because I don't understand you. Since I came back, you've been talking. What is your problem? Since when do I have to start explaining myself to you? And when did I become accountable to you? Tell me, when? When did that one start? Yeah? So you've grown wings, eh? Let me see where this your boyfriend thing will lead you. Instead of you going back and do your laundry and my friend, will you shut up and stop making noise? Oh, so you are the devil that have been planning my downfall, eh? It will not work because you have failed. Now tell me, what is wrong with your own hands? What is wrong with your hands that you cannot go and do laundry and mopping just to make money? Rubbish. Why can't you mind your business for once? That's how you always poke nose, chook your eye, nose, ear, head into other people's affairs. Ada, it's okay now. No, leave her. Let her insult me. You've grown. Insult me.
Nora, keep quiet. Eh? Ada, I don't know you to be troublesome for nothing's sake.
See, I was only trying to caution this girl. My friend, go and caution yourself. Flirt. What did you just call me? That is what you are. Oh, you think we don't know? Dear, I am not like you. And I will never be like you. See this pretender. Pretenders do the worst. You're not like me today. Tomorrow you'll be worse than me. Jenny, you can stay and listen to her crap. See you, pretender. Pretender, oh! For 6,000 naira phone. Hey, this girl. Next minute I should carry Bible and come and tell me she's a church girl. See her.
She would like to have been there to see the embarrassments they gave me in my new store today.
Just because of that phone you bought for me.
What happened and who embarrassed you?
My neighbors in school. They saw the phone and then they started accusing me of keeping a male friend.
What? Her business if you keep a male friend or not? I mean, how does it concern her how you choose to live your life? Besides, I don't see anything wrong if you have a male friend.
Well, there's nothing wrong. It's just that my mom warned me against it. And as a Christian, it's not something I would want to indulge in. And right now, I don't think I'm emotionally ready for any relationship.
Okay, fair enough. Okay.
Uche, can I ask you something?
Sure, ask me. Why?
Well, I've not seen you with any boy. So,
I just thought maybe you don't like this. Why would you ever think that? Well, I once had a boyfriend.
Are you serious? So where is he?
Dead?
He's dead. So
my God, what do you want to eat?
she still love him.
What do you want to eat? You want to eat in or you want to eat out? Which one?
Okay. Just tell me something. Tell me about love.
Obviously, it's going to take a push before you leave.
No! That way!
Okay, just
Okay. Something.
But just tell me
Go
just
on.
one thing. Just keep going. Girls, this is my favorite boutique. Okay. You know, it's just that they have very nice things, so I always love to come here. I'm sure you girls are wondering why I brought you here. Actually, yes, you're actually wondering. I feel so terrible about IJ's disappearance. I mean, I feel so bad. I worry for her so much, and I wonder where she could be. At the same, I realized that no amount of tears or worries could equal how much we miss her.
It's okay, huh? It's okay, alright? It's okay.
Stop crying.
It's okay.
It's okay.
But outside that, I know I promised you girls something.
Yeah.
And I thought I could maybe just do it. Just to get you girls to relax a little bit. And I even told my mom.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of your mom, where is she?
She's in the States.
Oh, it's crying. Alright? It's crying, right?
I just feel so
we all miss her.
Yes.
We all miss her. Okay, we do. It's okay. You make us start crying too.
I know.
I really hope she comes back.
Yeah,
I believe she'll come back.
Yeah, I do. Same here.
Let me not spoil the whole fun.
Please don't.
I'm sorry. So,
it's okay.
I want you girls to pick anything. Clothes, bags, shoes, all on me.
Why? I mean, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, that's thank you so much.
I know.
Oh my goodness, this is too much. I mean, you didn't have to do all this.
I know.
I just don't want us worried. I mean, I feel so sad about IJ, but I just want to do something to get our mind off it, you know?
Thank you so much. Okay, let's not spoil the whole mood. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Let's do some shopping here.
Wow. Oh, look at this. Red. Beautiful. I love it.
I love this.
Oh,
beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, come on, girls. Pick
Love
anything.
green.
Go on, pick it up.
Hi, Dima, what's up?
Hi. Sorry, do I know you?
Come on, my name is Nneka. We are in the same faculty, baby girl.
Oh, really? Well, I mean, I haven't seen you before.
But I have.
What is stupid rubbish girls doing here?
I don't know. I mean, obviously, she wants to be friends.
Friends? How? They wish.
friends. These goats.
I don't need to be told. You girls don't seem to agree.
At all. We're not friends.
This stupid girl that insulted me because of laundry. Babes, laundry. Can you imagine?
Okay, about this laundry disagreement. Does it have anything to do with Ada?
Yes. Why do you ask?
I mean, not like she has ever mentioned it, but Ada actually told me some girl slapped her over some laundry. She didn't do very well.
Yeah, actually, yes, she's just telling the truth. Is the truth. Those stupid idiot games. Can you imagine? I beg, let's just take our ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Oh, but I love chocolate. This is what they had there.
Thank you. I'm really sorry for slapping you and everything I've done. I'm actually very sorry. Please forgive me.
Okay, you know, you girls did what you did because you felt that was the best thing to do. But right now, it's okay. It's not sure.
You mean you don't bear any grudges against us?
Absolutely. And you won't tell Chidima about it?
Wait, is this what this is all about? Okay, fine, I won't tell her. It's okay, I've forgiven you. No, are you seriously? Yes. You know what? Let me take you girls out. The bill is on.
Wow, I see it.
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's okay. This is your early morning travel. I honestly don't understand. Do you know I'm missing a very important lecture because I want to see you after the park? I wonder why she wants to see you. Honestly, I don't know why she wants to see me. She's been calling me with her neighbor's line asking me to come home. I hope all is well. I hope so too. I hope so. But whatever the problem is, I must come back to school tomorrow. Ada, you have to. I mean, our exams is just by the corner. Anyway, just have this. Meet buy her something nice. Oh my God! Thank you, Uche. Uche, what would I ever do without you? Okay. Oh, thank you very much. You're welcome. She's going to be very happy. Thank you. Be careful. Okay.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is.
Ma, I don't understand you these days. I thought I'd already made you proud by having a friend who is good to me. A friend who is also from a good family. Mama, you know Papa is dead. And you're the only one that's been struggling for our welfare. And yet, you don't seem to understand.
Adugu, Asengi, Onyenyegega.
Mama, me, I'm going back to school. I'm going back to school. What is this now?
Hey, I know why I'm asking. Amakwam. Okay, is she the one that made this new hair for you? Both this fine dress and shoes, my dear. Eh?
Mama.
Adugo, this is a wicked world. Anything can happen at any time. Do you hear that? Please, don't misunderstand me if I say this.
What again, Mama?
When can I see that your friend?
Mama, if you want to see her, I would have brought her to this place now. If not for the fact that she's writing her exams. So once her exams are through, I'll bring her to this place so that you will see her with your own eyes.
Okay. If that is the case, no problem. I like that. So, she said you should give me this.
Yes, Mama, she said I should give you everything.
Hey.
She said I should greet you.
That's thoughtful of her. What does her parents do for a living?
Her father is dead, and her mother is an international businesswoman.
Now, as I'm talking to you, her mother is in USA.
Obodo Hey! They're rich, Obodo Igbo.
Of course not.
Hey, thank God for my daughter. Oh. Hey, see you. Hey, God bless them. Hey. No, we shall be well with you. Always pray hard. God has a way of protecting those who trust in Him. Oh?
I know all that, Mama. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Oh, no. But one more thing. Always call your uncle on phone so you can talk to your brother. Do you hear that?
Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. I have to. Okay. Take care.
Bye-bye. Oh. Okay. Be a good girl. Oh. Oh? Bye-bye. Hey.
Mommy, 2. I thought it was a monthly thing. I mean, it's barely 3 weeks since I delivered. I know, but 2 people, 2. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I shouted. I won't disappoint you. I won't. I didn't know it was going to be this tough. I promise. I'll be there for you. Please hang on. Don't die on me. Just hang on. You sound so weak. Alright. Bye.
Sister, I know what you mean when you say you'll be traveling to Rome next week. But the issue is time. I'm seriously overworked. You see, I'm handling not only my departmental courses, I'm also handling general courses as well. It's so tight. The work, I'm so busy.
Oh, I see, sir.
Well, you see, that's exactly why we have not been able to compute your results as it is, you know. And you see what I mean? The students always calling me. And let me tell you, for flimsy reasons. Honestly, for flimsy reasons.
But sir, what are you really saying concerning my results?
You know you are a part-time student. We've not started computing the results of your set. You know that, and I can assure you that.
I'm aware of all these things, sir. It is just because of my trip to Rome.
Oh, don't worry. We'll be through. We'll get through by the time you come back. I'm assuring you. The results will be ready. Okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I have to be on my way now. I just received an urgent text on my phone that somebody has been waiting for me in the convent since morning.
Alright, sister. Remember us in your prayers, so...
Yeah, I will, sir.
Alright,
Bye, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good evening. Would you mind if I give you a ride?
That would be nice, my dear.
Thank you. Of course, you're welcome.
Nima, please wait.
Can I ride in your car?
Oh, yes, yes, of course.
Okay, thank you.
She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes.
Hey, sister. It's been 3 hours now, and I've not seen Sister Mary Rose.
I even called her lecturer. I got the number from Madare. One, Mr. Obadigwe.
And what did he say?
He wasn't even picking up his call. And I don't even know when she's coming back. You see, Sister Mary has never done a thing like this. The convent is a maze now. And I don't even know what kept her.
Good day, sister. Good day, sister. How are you? I'm fine, sister. Sister, I have been dialing Sister Mary Rose's number, but it was not going.
We too?
Yes, sister. Holy Mary. Holy Mary. Oh, but the amazing thing is not that she's not picking her number. The problem here now is that the number is not available.
And it's okay, right?
Oh, God.
I believe something serious might have kept your sister.
I hope so.
Don't worry.
Nothing will happen to her. Just believe that, okay? God is with us.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Alright, just have faith, right?
Thank you.
Alright, let me go in.
Yeah, I can hear you. This is Duma. I said this is Duma, yes. What? Kuma? Lost blood? How? I mean, how is she? Oh my God! I mean, no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm listening to you. Yes, I'll call you back. I mean, oh my God. Doctor, I'm going to call you back. I'm so sorry. I mean, how is she now? How is she? How do you mean she lost blood? I don't... My God, doctor, I'm so sorry. Let me call you back. Please. Oh my God. What? I mean, wait, what? What's going on? Oh my God. What? I'm coming. Oh my God.
These students, they won't let me be. I'm going to switch this off. Good. I should have done this a long time ago. Yes, come in, Joe.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I can't go away, sir.
Wow. It's 6:30.
Yes, sir.
It appears we are the only ones left in this building.
Yes, sir. Oga, what do you have for our chairman?
All right, Joe. I'll be out in a jiffy, right? Wait for me outside. I'll be out soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Ajojo! Ajojo!
Sir.
All right. Get some books ready and let's go.
Young lady, you are still here?
Yes, sister. Good evening, Maurice.
Good evening, my dear. Sister Mary Rose knows she shouldn't have kept you waiting till this time. Where is she?
She's still not back yet.
Sister Mary Queen.
Yes, mother.
Where is Sister Mary Rose?
Mother Superior. She left at about 10 a.m. to see her lecturer. That is it, Mother.
And you didn't try calling her line?
Oh yes, I did, but she was not picking her calls.
What must have gone wrong?
Very fast. When you get to the station, you have to take your friend.
Mr. Badiego, right? You said that you are innocent. But your behavior 2 days ago was very, very suspicious.
Sir, I don't understand.
Don't interrupt me, Mr. Lecturer. I was telling you that your action was very suspicious. The day sister disappeared, you practically refused to answer your call. An hour later, your phone switched off. Then what do you have to explain in this very action?
Sir, students disturb me a lot on my phone. And sometimes when I pick my calls, they don't have any cogent reason for calling. So, on this particular day, I had a lot of things to do. I had a Senate subcommittee meeting where I was supposed to act as the secretary. And I had exam papers to mark. I had heaps of them on my table. I was so busy, so I practically ignored all the calls that came into my phone.
But you picked her call when she called to tell you she was coming.
Yes, sister, I picked her call because her call is registered in my phone. I don't pick calls that are not registered in my phone.
We believe strongly your office was the last place she called.
Sister, you can't be too sure. You can't be too sure.
I am very sure. Sisters are highly disciplined and morally balanced people. And we have strict orders in the convent. No sister goes to anywhere without coming back to the convent to report.
Sister, I don't know anything about her disappearance. She came to my office, we talked, and she left. I continued my work and left the office. I don't have anything. I don't really know how her disappearance.
To blame me, please. It's the police that said we should arrest you.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
they hold me. Honestly, me, I am beginning to get scared. I don't know about you girls.
I'm scared too. I've warned Nneka about this how waka waka. Eh?
I mean, 2 whole days. No show, nothing. Not even a phone call. I tire for this girl, I did tell you true.
Yeah, I'm scared though. I'm scared. I'm scared too. But you know this is not the first time she's doing this kind of a thing.
Abi?
Yes now. Have you forgotten last year Valentine when she traveled with Honorable to Togo? Without telling any of us.
Abi?
What didn't be Abi again? Was it not 2 full weeks before we knew? I beg girls, relax. She's okay wherever she is.
Now they roast myself, she? They waste my precious time. I beg make my talk better thing.
Girls, I am scared. How are you sure she's good wherever she is? What is happening to Neki? Please, let's do something. Now for now.
Let's sit down. Talk better to me, they talk your own.
So you know the fear, Abi? Why did it go happen? Now you are there now.
How much is this?
5,000.
5,000?
Yeah.
It's fine.
What is it? You've been behaving strangely these days. Please don't tell me your mom's sickness is getting worse.
Ada, you won't understand.
Then make me understand. Well, am I not your friend anymore? Are you hiding things from me?
No, I'm not hiding anything.
Tell me.
You're right. It's my mother. And she's still in a coma. I'm just so confused. I don't know what to do.
She have told you everything will be fine. Just relax, okay? When we get home, we'll talk about it. Meanwhile, we came to shop. So come, let's go shopping.
Just go.
Come on! Oh, no, I can't do this without you. Come, please. Don't take the phone out of it. Thank you. Now this one is so pretty. Chill. Yeah, it's pretty. This one too.
Locksmith, see, this is not Valentine's Day. It is not. Look, you need to go to the police. Look, I'm scared though. I'm really scared.
Me? Police? Never. So you want them to arrest me, Abi?
Come on, kids. All we have to do is just to tell them that our friend is missing. That's all.
Period. You girls are fish-headed, empty brains. So all I have reminded you of is nothing, eh? Why do you girls find it difficult to absorb little things? Nneka is fine. She's fine. She's fine.
I swear. If Nneka doesn't come back today, I'll make sure I go straight to the police station.
Okay, I think I'll go with you.
Shoot yourselves.
Mekwamo namo imakani mekwa wanya zikotele mokugo imakani mekwa wanya zikotele mokugo imakani mekwa wanya zikotele mokugo anya nenuo namo monwo timbede diego nasty ya no bwegbe egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na nwa m egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na nwa m egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na nwa m nna m mmọnwụ ochi mgbede jirego egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na nwa m egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na nwa m egbe buru ọkụkọ m ya egwu na take her to the slaughter. Mami mapamba simuna simbadi we dala lo ibo ko elizi kana bono na simbadi no mbele ya kwa Nest Hey! Who brought this people here? Who among you? Let me not from everybody to divide the land! Take it away! I'm watching that here! Hey, I'm fine! Hey! With due respect to your office, I must confess that I'm totally disappointed in you of late.
Your Lordship?
You arrest a lecturer?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Do you know the implications of what you've done? The church is an epitome of peace and holiness, involving itself in a police case?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, as at the time of her disappearance, I was totally confused and at a crossroad on what to do. Much more so when it was brought to my notice that the lecturer in question refused to answer his calls. When we went to his office the next morning, he was indifferent to my questions. His attitude was that of complete insolence.
I believe the best thing to do is to withdraw that case immediately.
Yes, Your Lordship. You have to allow me bail the lecturer. We have decided to settle the matter amicably.
See, sister, I would have loved to help you, but this case has gone beyond my control.
How do you mean?
Just this morning, a student from the same department reported that the student has been missing in the same department. The same day, your reverend sister disappeared.
Are you serious?
Even the heads of departments and the dean of the student affairs and even came for their release. But I said no. Until I see the root of this very matter. So give me more time to sort things out.
What are you doing? Ending our journey, of course.
Don't tell me you want to kill her. Didn't you hear what Okosisi said? He said she's a spirit and must not be harmed. I don't care. I don't care. Leaving her alive will expose us, and I'm not ready to take such chances. Both of us know that the journey to the express is an unending journey, and it will take you 4 days to walk. So let's just show her how to get to the express. Who knows, even wild beasts inhabit this forest. You know she won't make it. Don't just let her blood be on your head. Me? I don't care. I don't even know when you started having this your sympathy. Listen, we were trained to be ruthless, and we will remain ruthless. Now go back. I said go back. I will leave her. For how long? I said go back. No. Young lady, you can start your journey from here. Find your way. Now!
Take it easy.
So sisters, how is my story?
So you didn't get the name of the person the girl was trying to call?
I can't remember anything. That will be all for now. As you can see, she needs some rest. All you have to do now is just thank God who brought her back and stop asking questions.
Okay, nurse. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please, where is the person that brought her here?
He has left, but I believe he left his contact with the doctor.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello? I don't get you. Just relax first. I don't understand this. All this fidgeting won't help you. What? How? No, I mean, wait, listen to me. Listen!
Now, G, you are beginning to scare me. Who was that?
My mother's business partner. He says the goods I bought for him, one of them is not good. And I have to deliver.
G, please relax, okay? I understand your mom is gone, and I understand her business partners called you, but you should also relax.
And I have to deliver in 2 days. How? How do I deliver in 2 days? This is the end of the road for me. This is just the end of the road for me.
Eh? Hey! Eh? Hey, Uchimo! My God! Hey! That girl has been of good help to my family. God, why? Hi! Hi, please console her. Console her, oh? Okay, can you bring her here so that I can talk to her? You know, I've not seen her before. And I don't know her. Eh. Okay. But please, talk to her always. Oh? Always pray with her also. Oh? I will pray also. Oh? Ah. Bye-bye, oh. Hey, God. Hey, no. Hey, why now?
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She's a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. can always walk things. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl, bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's a high class girl, everybody wants to know her. Be my friend, be my girl, but the truth about her, she's heartless.
She, I'm back. Gee, I can't lie this your mood so much. Okay, I've told you everything will be fine.
Is it your mom again?
No. It's everything. Everything.
What else could be bothering you again? Please, don't tell me it's this your business partner thing. Okay. Can I help you?
What?
I said, can I help you? I mean, since my exams are over, I can help you out.
Shut up! Shut up!
Why are you behaving so strange? Why are you shouting at me? I only said, let me help you.
Okay, okay.
Trust
me. I'm sorry. Listen to me carefully, Ada. This is more than you can imagine.
I don't get it. What else does it entail? We just walk in there, meet the business partners, sign some documents, shake hands, and then we're out of there. End of story. What?
They are in Suka, right? I mean, her business partners.
Yes, yes, dear.
Okay. Oh my God, I forgot to ask you. How was the exams today?
Fine, fine. I mean, surprise, surprise. My papers are actually over.
What? Eh, so you fooled me, right?
Sorry.
It's okay. Like I told you, for everything. Thank you.
We'll soon get there.
Okay.
She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she is a bad girl.
It's a beautiful place, huh?
Oh, very beautiful.
Bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very bad. she's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl.
One is right there! Hey! Don't move! Over! Get everybody arrested over there! Anyone make any attempt? Get him or her down! Please! Please, sir!
Not that way, this way! Move, take it! I said move! Move!
Can someone tell me what is going on?
Don't move! If you move, I blow your head off.
Let her go. She's a victim like myself. It's okay.
Get him!
Yes, sir. What's happening here? Stop your phone. Sorry. If you move, go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Hey, Ajani. Look, you've never disappointed. Ajani. Down. Any movie? Ajani, we've never disappointed. I am not the killer. Shut up, your mouth. Yes.
Sir, we are at the scene of the crime. Arrests are being made. Over.
Ajani, shut up! Your humble servant. I've never disappointed. Officer, please. Remember me. Ajani, remember me. I am not the killer. I'm not the killer. I'm not the killer. Ajani, move them. Move them. Move. Move it.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl.
It is bad, very bad, that the society we are living in today
is similar to biblical Sodom and Gomorrah.
Hey.
How could a girl like this be involved in rituals?
Hey.
But I warn you fellow students, to look before you leap.
Hey.
We've lost numbers of students because of greedy and selfishness. I weep not because of your condition, but because of innocent souls, students that don't know anything that you've taken from us. If I am to punish you, if I am to say, I will plead that they give you to us.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she's a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl.
When they took me to their domain, I didn't realize that Parker, my friend, had seen me. Later in the night, when it was my turn to be taken in for ritual, he told me he would replace me with someone else.
As you can see, we've come a very long way now. Listen, what you're going to do now is that you pass through that way there, then pass the other way, okay? You'll find your way, okay? Okay, let me tell you, you know you're a very good man. Eh? Don't worry, you don't deserve to die, okay? Don't worry, so just find your way. Thank you. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright.
Are you a member?
Please just find your way first, good.
My dear, that was how Parker was used by God to save me. During my escape, I was rescued by some good villagers who nursed me back to health after a very poisonous snake bite. Oh God. I am so sorry. Sorry? Oh. I should be the one telling you sorry for what you went through.
She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. Is a bad girl. Yeah, she comes. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's brilliant, can always walk this. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's cute and looking with so many flashy cars. She's high, she's pretty, can always walk things. She is a bad girl. She is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad. She's very, very, she's a bad girl, bad girl. She's a bad girl, bad girl. She's a high class girl, everybody wants to know her. Be my friend, be my girl, but the truth about her, she's heartless, she kills, she's bad, she's bad, she's B-A-D. Come on, she is a bad girl, bad girl. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very bad. She's bloody, she's bad, she's very, very, she is a bad